Good afternoon, guys. New day, new vlog. Love your journey. Today, we are going to cook again chicken butter, but new recipe. Always new recipe. So this is our chicken, 700 gram, and we are going to marinate this chicken for chicken butter. So first of all, we will put garlic and ginger. Bismillah. And after that, we will put yogurt, this kind of curd yogurt, like this. One, two, and three. And after that, we will put 1 tablespoon salt, like this. Bismillah. And half tablespoon garam masala. And paprika. We call this paprika here, but this is, you can say, Kashmiri mirch, like this. And after that, you have to mix it well. Bismillah. And add also lemon, half lemon, for good taste. So this is our chicken butter recipe. We will marinate this chicken for 25 minutes. So after this, let's make gravy for chicken butter. Bismillah. So now we are going to make chicken butter sauce. So we will put a little bit oil, like this, like you can say 3 tablespoons, and we will add here the butter. So now we're going to add onion, half kilo, mashed. After 3 minutes of cooking, you will add 3 to 4 red chili and half kilo tomato, like this. And you have to mix it well. Like this. You have to add ginger and garlic, like this. And some masala. Garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Cumin masala, 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And this is coriander powder, 1, like this. You have to add water, half cup, like this. Mix it well, and you have to cover it for 10 to 12 minutes, like this. So now we will off the heat and we will check our sauce. It's almost soft, and we will transfer to another pan here. Bismillah. On the same pan, we will get a little bit oil, like this, and we will put the chicken for fry that we marinate while ago for 25 minutes. It's going to be make it hot a little bit, and after that we will put chicken for fry, like this. So now we are going to on the other, like this. Make it very slow and just put a little bit oil, like 1 tablespoon, and we will transfer our chicken to here. Bismillah. And this same pan we will use for making butter curry. Okay, and this we have to cover for 10 minutes also. We cook 10 minutes and we will put this cap for 10 minutes also as well. We will use for making sauce. So let's make sauce, butter sauce. This is our sauce while ago that we make, and it's already cold, and we use this product for mixing. Yeah, so Bismillah. You can see our sauce is ready. So our sauce is ready here almost already, and we will add butter here in the fry pan. We will on this fry pan again, and we will add butter. Bismillah barakat. Like this. You can see how much is butter. It's like you can say 3 tablespoons, and we have to make it mix it well like this. And you have to add paprika powder. Yeah, 1 tablespoon like this, and you have to mix it well. Our butter is already melted, so we will add this our sauce, the one we make while ago, like this. Bismillah barakat. And you have to do like this. So all sauce going down for gravy, like butter chicken. Yeah. So we will do until all the water is going down. So our sauce is ready, and we will put our chicken. Bismillah barakat. Like this, you have to mix it well, like this. So now we will put this cream on the top like this. Bismillah barakat. And we will cover for 5 minutes, and it's going to be ready. MashaAllah.